So good day everyone, I am CG Saliot Mission from Base Cream 3A. So today I will show you the parts and function of basic four wheels vehicles. So this is the car door, provides entry and exit for passengers and the drivers. Steering wheel, drivers to control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels to left or right.
Go.
Handbrake keeps the vehicle stationary when parked. This is a gear shift used to change gears in manual or automatic transmission. Air ventilation, direct airflow from the air conditioning or heating system. This is the clutch, the engine from the wheels when changing gears, allowing smooth shifting without damaging the gearbox. This is the brake, slow downs or stop the vehicle by activating the braking system when pressed. Controls the engine power and speed. The speedometer play the current speed of the vehicle, allowing the driver to stay within the speed limits. Rear view mirror allows the drivers to see the traffic lights or object behind the vehicle. Signal light alert the other road users when the driver intends to turn left or right. Used to warn other drivers, pedestrians or animals of the vehicle's presence. Seatbelt protects the occupants during sudden stop collision by restraining movement and preventing injury.
Okay.
Headlight illuminates the road ahead when driving at night or in poor visibility. Car hood covers and protect the engine and the other components located in the front compartment.
Okay.
Windshield wiper clears rain, dust or debris from the windshield to maintain clear visibility for the driver. Side mirror allows the driver to see vehicles or objects on either side and behind. Wheels support the vehicle weight and enable it to move when the engine power is on. So, tail light located at the back of the car and lights up when headlights are on and when braking, on turning or signaling other drivers behind. So this is the car compartment. Serve as storage space for luggage, tools and other items. So that's all the parts and the function of four-wheel vehicles. Thank you.